Hello and welcome to nobrokerage.com. So today we are at Global Group and हमारे साथ है Mr. Gordon Jagwani sir, who is owner of the Global Group. तो हम उनसे ही जानते हैं directly उनके group के बारे में. Hello sir.
Hello.
So first of all, thank you for your time. It means a lot to us.
You're welcome. Yes. We are always there for the customers, for media, for everybody, all influencers. जो हमको promote करे, they are most welcome. Well, good evening first of all. आप देख रहे हैं कि एग्जीबिशन चल रहा है, पीपल आर हेयर, वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग गुड क्राउड. सो जहाँ तक कंपनी के बारे में मैडम जानना चाहती हैं, ग्लोबल ग्रुप इज़ अ न्यू वेंचर, इज़ जस्ट 2 years old, राइट, एंड ऑल द पार्टनर्स वी हैव गैदर टुगेदर. हम लोगों ने पहले अलग अलग काम किया पूरा, एंड देन वी ज्वाइन एज अ फ्रेंडशिप ग्रुप. So we thought that we should make one brand which we promote as single brand, So we gathered all the partners, we gathered together, and we made a global group. So we started ventures in global group. Right now we are doing about 10 properties in 2 years. Completed 1 and 9 are under.
Okay, so basically the foundation itself is strong. It's on friendship. So I would like to know with what vision you guys thought of creating Global Group.
I mean, vision was there since last 15 years when New Bombay started growing, especially Raigad district, and the people were expecting good things from the government, like infrastructure, airport hai, Atal Setu is there. So we anticipated these things will come eventually, They were delayed because of COVID, right? But they have come. So with this future perspective, we thought this area is much to be developed and it has a lot of potential to work in this area. So we started with this area, but we were doing individually. So then we saw a demand of branding, so that people know the brand. People they remember you with the brand. So we started and we thought that we should make one brand together and then promote that brand and become a big eventually. Grow with the area. Where the area is growing, so we also should grow.
So coming to area itself, I would like to know in the past 2 years, what all areas is Global Group active in?
Yeah, we have concentrated on Pushpak Nagar, which is a new node developed by CIDCO, which is the fourth part of airport. Airport is covered by 4 areas. So the fourth part was totally untouched. Pushpak Nagar is the name. Then we are working in Karanjade, which is very much developed. Then we are working in Rodpali, which is also developed. And we are working in Kharghar. So all these areas are developed, but except Pushpak Nagar.
Okay, so and I can say that you have upcoming projects as well.
Yes, you can see our upcoming projects at Karanjade, Yeah, so we have 2 upcoming projects, which still we have not received the CC, so we cannot project them.
Okay, but the people know that now something's coming.
Yeah, something is coming, yes.
And I would looking at your experience, I would really like to know what is a particular time period or the perfect time to invest in real estate market?
Now, it's already come. I mean, you are late if you have not invested.
And
simple, because this area has no limit now. I'm telling you, the way it is growing, the connectivity is getting. See that too in Bombay, Chembur is the heart of the Bombay, right? Because Chembur is connected from all the areas. So see the property at Chembur now. It's expensive than Bandra Khar suburbs. I myself live in Bandra. So I know the area over there, the market over there. So New Bombay is the heart of this Raigad district, entire Raigad district. It's connected with all the cities like New Bombay, Ulhasnagar, Kalyan, Dombivli. If you go this side, Pune. Because now, since the airport is come and the international airport will be starting soon, So you will see crowd coming from all the places. And I tell you, in fact, my friends who live in Cuff Parade, who live at Cuff Parade or Nariman Point, they are planning to buy property over here because they are saying this area has much more potential and it is very open, very clean. First of all, no Jhopparpatti in New Bombay, as you can see. So this area has a lot of potential. If you are not invested, you will lose.
So as we are speaking of the area's potential, according to what do you think in coming 5 to 7 years, what will be the real estate stage and
see the new areas I'm seeing, which will Pushpak Nagar, of course, it will be fantastic node, And the second part, if you want to invest on an old Pune highway, up to Karjar,
Okay.
right? So that area is going to grow like anything. Where you have all the big projects like Vadwa is there, Godrej is there. All the big builders are going there now. So the two areas I see much more potential in next 5 years.
And any advice that you would like to give to first-time home buyers?
If you are a person who wants to buy for themselves, this is the area also, of course. And if you are an investor, this is the area. So just invest, I would say.
So basically, this area is currently a gold mine kind of.
You will
for real.
you will remember my words after 5 years. I'm telling you, yes.
So
See, Palm Beach, I'm giving an example. Palm Beach Road, which was, the rate was approximately 25% of Bandra Khal. I'm talking about 7-8 years back, right? Today, it's more than Bandra Khal,
okay.
right? They have sold a property at Palm Beach Road for 25 CR. It's an apartment, 5-bedroom apartment. Bandra Khal, you will get the same property at 15, 16 CR. So the potential I'm talking about, I mean, people have misjudged this area before, but now I would say please go for.
So and as like we were talking, and you mentioned that post-COVID, due to COVID, few projects were stalled, like infrastructure development and everything. So after that, as soon as everything started, the development started, how has the real estate, like the market changed, which has helped the group in a way?
See, infrastructure has helped a lot, of course, right? We see a lot of people, and after COVID, scenario also changed. Infrastructure played a vital role, of course, but COVID also played an important role in separating in people's life. People want to have separate houses for all the family members. This has changed, a thinking of people. Now everybody wants to have 2 flats, 3 flats. So their son or not second house, but their family they don't want to live together in one house because of COVID. COVID has that problem that people could not stay at one place. So now people are thinking, my son is growing, he's got married, so buy him another house. So that thinking is eventually has come in people's mind, and that's why people are buying houses. But the popularity is 2-bedroom apartments, of course. It's hot sale in New Bombay. Yes.
So, and lastly, I won't take much of your time. I want to ask you, as you have experience, a vast experience in this industry from before, even like before starting this group. So, I wanted to ask you that what are the basic home buyer requirements that each and every project must have?
See, minimum area, of course. 1 RK is out of the question now. People don't buy 1 RK now. So 1 BHK and 2 BHK. That's a basic requirement now. People ask for. People are looking for bigger houses, of course. Area should be big. And second thing, the amenities. Now they play a vital role. So you give a gymnasium. Swimming pool is out of the question. People don't like it, and it's high maintenance thing. But of course, play area or cricket turf, all these things, jogging track, or the much more needed thing is a banquet hall in the building. So people do look for banquet hall, and people prefer those buildings who has those amenities. So
thank you so much for your time, and we really had
thank you very much.
new insights.
Yes, thank you very much.
If you are interested in any of the projects from Global Group, then please contact on the number given below. And और भी information के लिए visit कीजिए nobrokerage.com को.